Well, now we want to talk about a really cool event happening in Geneseo tomorrow. Hammond-Henry Hospital is hosting a public open house that allows you to peel back the curtain and get a behind-the-scenes look. I think this is so fascinating. It's called Doc Stars, Backstage Pass to Surgical Services, and you will get to see what doctors see when they're operating. So here to chat about this is Missy Braddock, Surgical Services Nurse Manager at the hospital. Missy, thank you for being here today.
Absolutely.
Okay, tell people about this event. I really haven't heard of anything like this.
Well, it's an original. We really wanted to give the community an opportunity to walk through what it would be like to have surgery, behind the scenes look, have an opportunity to talk to surgeons, to see our equipment, our technology, our robots in action, and just kind of walk the walk when you're not actually in a very scary situation as being a patient. And really, actually, we also wanted to do it to help show the community what we have available at Hammond-Henry. We are small, but we do have great technology, and they can have the great care close to home.
Okay, so one of the things that's part of this event is people get to look through the robots that doctors use. Please talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have two robots. We have a general surgery robot, which we will have set up. And I think it's really cool because people can actually see the benefits by looking through the console and seeing what the doctors are actually seeing, and as well as our total knee robot. So they will see it actually hooked up to an artificial leg and performing a surgery. So it will be a great opportunity to see the great technology we have at Hammond-Henry.
I know you kind of mentioned it, kind of lessening that fear that people might have. Is that the reason why you guys wanted to put this on?
It is. You know, I think that sometimes people are so concerned with surgery and what it will be like without having the knowledge and education behind it. So we wanted to have that opportunity. Everybody's going to be faced with surgery, whether it's themselves or a family or friend. So we wanted to have that opportunity to maybe help diminish some of those fears a little bit, and also to show them that we can do great things at Hammond-Henry.
I love that. I was also thinking, is this kind of a way, with all the labor shortages that your industry is facing right now, you're hoping to maybe spark some interest in some of the younger people that come through?
Absolutely, and ironically, we actually do have a couple colleges that are bringing their students through, so as well as robotic programs. What a great opportunity to showcase what it would be like, as well as, again, the nursing students or other medical professionals who are considering the field to see what we do offer at Hammond-Henry, and sometimes bigger isn't better. Exactly. We are a great hospital.
I love that. I do have to ask, for someone like myself that maybe gets a little bit squeamish at blood, is this something that anyone could be open to, or should we exercise some caution?
You know, really, honestly, we're trying to keep it very low key in that regard. There's not a lot of blood that will be shown, actually very little, and the videos that we are showing at 3 of the stations are set up so that if you don't want to see, for instance, a cataract surgery, you can look away, or you can more look at the instrumentation, the microscope itself. So we are trying to be very discreet so that we can make sure we suit all kinds.
And really quickly, you also will give an opportunity for people to ask questions to the nurses and doctors that are there. I have to ask, do you have a particular topic that you're looking forward to talking about?
I actually am just looking forward to people asking about the services that we provide at the hospital. And I'm really excited because I know we will hear, oh my gosh, we had no idea you did that here. Yeah. And so that's really, as well as the staff at Hammond-Henry and the Surgical Services Department and the Rehab Department have put a lot of effort into this, and I really want them to be recognized for the great job they've done.
I love it. Well, Missy, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you.
And we are looking forward to tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right, once again, Doc Stars, Backstage Pass to Surgical Services will be tomorrow from 5 to 7 p.m. at Hammond-Henry Hospital in Geneseo. You'll get to see videos of procedures, view what doctors see through robots, and ask all the questions you want. This is for people of all ages to attend, and you do not need to register. You can simply show up at the north entrance of the hospital.